Congratulations! You have been selected to win 2 free—
Shut up!
Who are you? What do you want?
I'm a fire in my laser! Search your feelings, you know it to be true.
Like they say in Brooklyn.
I am Snape, the potions master. Welcome to potions class. The beauty of the softly simmering cauldron with its shimmering fume.
No.
The delicate power of liquids that creep through.
No.
The delicate—
Die!
Holy cricket! You're
In discussing the large-scale structure of the cosmos, astronomers sometimes say that space is curved, or that the universe is finite but unbounded. Whatever are they talking about? Let's imagine that we are perfectly flat. I mean absolutely flat. And that we live, appropriately enough, in a flatland.